Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can manage all post visibility at once on a TikTok application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile. And here we have to open the TikTok setting. You can click on these three lines to open the settings and privacy. Okay, here we have a lot of options and we have to go to the activity center. Okay, and since we want to manage the post visibility, we can click on manage post visibility. And if you want to change the post visibility at once on your TikTok, you just need to go to the category you want to change. For example, I'm going to make all my public video become private, so I'm going to click on everyone, and these are my public video, and I'm going to make all of them become private. So we can select the video like this. Wait guys. All right, and after that we just need to click on next, and we can click on only me. Okay, then I'm going to click on update and just wait for a moment. Okay, and I'm going to check it on my profile. Okay, as you can see that all my videos have become private videos. Alright guys, and that's how we can change all post visibility at once on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.